Guys, my name is Akash Radhi. I am from MBA section. Today my topic is nature of leading and behavior of leading. The art of leading, navigating styles and behaviors. This presentation explores the essence of leading, well defined leading and its impact on organizations. Well examine various leadership styles and behaviors. Our goal is to provide insights for effective leadership. The nature of leading core components. Vision. Setting a clear and compelling direction. Steve Jobs think different at Apple is a prime example. Visionary firms are 28% more likely to thrive. Influence. Inspiring and motivating others. Martin Luther King Jr. mobilized the civil rights movement. Inspired employees are 3x more productive. Ethics. Leading with integrity. Patagonia's commitment to sustainability exemplifies ethical leadership. 79% value it above all else. Autocratic leadership styles. Definition. Centralized control and top down communication. Characteristics. Efficient in crisis. Clear authority lines. Example. Military leadership during wartime. Data can boost short-term productivity by 15%. Democratic leadership style. First definition. Collaborative decision making and shared responsibility. Number 2. Characteristics. Encourages participation, fosters teamwork. Number 3. Example. Nelson Mandela in post-apartheid South Africa. Number 4. Data can increase employee satisfaction by 20%. Laissez-faire leadership style. Definition. Hands-off approach and minimal intervention. Characteristics. Suited for skilled and self-motivated teams. Example. Warren Buffett's decentralized management. Transformational leadership behavior. Number 1. Charisma. Number 2. Intellectual stimulation. Number 3. Inspirational motivation. Number 4. Individual consideration. Transformational leaders inspire followers to achieve extraordinary outcomes. Elon Musk's leadership at Tesla exemplifies this approach. Tesla stock increased 740% in 2020. This style can boost performance by 30%. Transactional leadership behaviors. Clear expectations. Number 2. Contingent rewards. Number 3. Active management. Number 4. Passive management. Transactional leadership focuses on exchange. It emphasizes reward based motivation. Sales managers using commissions are an example. This improves efficiency by 18% in routine tasks. Conclusion. The adaptive leader. Number 1. Adaptability. Importance of adaptability and situational leadership. Number 2, understanding. The need to understand different styles. Number 3, learning. Continuous learning and development is critical. Lead with purpose, adapt with agility. Great leaders understand which style is best for which situation. Always seek to grow and develop new techniques. Thank you.